Welcome everyone to the Webster Grove School District Science Vertical Team Meeting, April 16th, 2013. If you would like to gain access to any of the resources you see today, follow this link right here, go.gl/lowercase f, the number 5, lowercase b, capital E, number 2. That'll take you to this slide deck so that way you can gain access to all the resources you see here today. We started the meeting by determining who was at the meeting, saying hi to everyone that was there. We outlined our mission to have a team of people focused on science instruction, and highlighted our topic, which was the next generation science standards. What are they and how will they affect science in Webster Groves? We logged on to the Webster Grove School District's CNI server and clicked on the PD resources folder so that way we could see all of the wonderful resources available to support us in our transition to the next generation science standards. We watched this YouTube video, link found on your screen, to highlight what they are, and then went through a series of slides located here that were provided by the National Science Teacher Association at the January 7th web seminar. The Next Generation Science Standards are founded from the framework for K-12 science education, were created through a series of benchmarks and resources and tons of research, and highlight 3 reports on how people learn, taking science to school, and Ready Set Science. Outline these 3 dimensions in our next generation science standards: science and engineering practices, cross-cutting concepts, and disciplinary core ideas. These 8 science and engineering practices are highlighted throughout the next generation science standards and are crucial to science learning. These 7 cross-cutting concepts were found in many of the standards from kindergarten all the way through 12th grade. And then these 4 disciplinary core ideas are the main things that highlight what it is specific to the core ideas of science. They each can be broken down into subgroups or subunits or standards, and can be broken down in a number of different ways through the headings of life, earth, and physical science. When looking at the standard, it's important to understand where that standard came from. For example, construct and use models to explain that atoms combine to form new substances of varying complexity in terms of the number of atoms and repeating subunits. That statement was founded from 3 big ideas. 1, the blue part is the specific science and engineering practice located in blue. Those were previously discussed in the 8 list. This orange box highlights the disciplinary core idea. This, specific to structure and properties of matter, is a main disciplinary core idea. And then finally, this green section shows the cross-cutting concepts that repeat throughout kindergarten through 12th grade. NSTA provided an amazing resource called What's Inside the Box, where you can see exactly how to do this. Check out nsta.org or Next Gen Science. We talked about the vocabulary and key features of the Next Generation Science Standards, checked out both of the websites and the amazing resources that are available, and then took time just to sit, read, and react to each of those new standards coming our way. We identified patterns and trends and discussed shifts that will need to occur in not only our teaching, but also in our content. We highlighted what was next for us and even showed off some examples that are current work using the next generation science standards. Finally, highlighted what this all means for us, what we should continue to work forward, and who we should invite to our next meetings. Thanks so much for coming. Thanks for watching this video. We hope to see you this summer for some amazing work with our next generation science standards. See you soon.